Hello and welcome to another reactions video. This video will cover Grigniards and organolithium reagents. So what are Grigniards and organolithium? They're a type of reagent which has to do with organometallics. So Grigniards are an alkyl group which then have a magnesium group which is then bonded to a halide. So that's either bromine, chlorine, or iodine. An organolithium is an alkyl which is just directly bonded to a lithium, and they behave very similarly. The formation of Grigniards is done by having just an alkyl halide where X is again bromine, chlorine, or iodine, and you add magnesium and have ether as a solvent, and that will give you your Grigniard reagent. And in the case of organolithium, you can begin with an alkyl chloride and add lithium and hexane as a solvent, and that will get you your alkyl lithium, your organolithium reagent, and lithium chloride salt. So how do they react and what makes them special? Well, they basically create carbon anions, or also known as carbanions. So it reacts as if it were a negatively charged carbon, so your alkyl group will be negatively charged at the carbon where the magnesium is binded to, and just this extra portion here. And an organolithium will react in the same way, which is what makes these reagents very special. So here's an example of a Grignard reaction. So you have here CH3, CCH2 bromine, so your alkyl halide, which is then being reacted with magnesium and ether, and then is formed into this Grignard here. Now from this Grignard, you can imagine that this alkyl group here just has a negative charge at the carbon where this magnesium is bonded to. So what will happen is it will use its electrons to attack this deuterium, which will then have its electrons be withdrawn into the OH group, or the OD group, because deuterium rather than hydrogen. They're just isotopes, so they react the same way. And magnesium bromine salt with the OD. And the alkyl group will have the deuterium binded to it. And this is, for example, how you can create deuterated alkyls. And this works as well for the organolithiums. You just have to change the Grignard into an organolithium, and the arrow push is the same. So yeah, that covers organolithium and Grignards, and thank you for watching.